Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a collaboration with Berabe nails. So I will leave her channel in my description box down below, you guys. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a summer kind of look. We actually decided on a summer's nails video. So I'm just gonna see, I'm not trying to do my nails too long, you guys. I've been doing them so long that I kind of hurt my nails. I think I explained this in my other video. So I'm trying to be careful now. So while the end, I think it's like the very free edge of my nails, I'm trying to heal them a little bit. So you don't want to overdo, basically you don't want to keep doing them long. You have to let them kind of heal up. So if you keep putting on nails too long, it's gonna keep tugging. You'll never basically heal from that. So they're doing great though. I'm kind of glad I haven't been doing too much craziness to my nails, because like I've explained to you guys, I do have an almost 2-year-old, so life is a little rough with little kids. They like to squirm around a lot. They like to move around when you change them. So we got to kind of compensate our nails. So hopefully in a year or so, it'll be a lot easier for me to rock my longer sets again. But you know, maybe in a month I'll try again to do them a little longer. I think that should be good. Okay, so these are the tips that I use. I'll leave them in the description box down below. False nails, I don't know how to say this, but ijubas, I'm not sure, but these tips are amazing. They're very like kind of narrow already, so it's easier to make into coffin shape or ballerina, and they make a great square, any kind of shape really. So I do suggest these. I actually get those tips from Amazon. So let me just shape these up a little. The dust, I'm gonna spray with a little bit of alcohol to clean them and just wipe that off. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nuni Torres nail primer. My Nuni Torres nail primer. And grab a piece of my Viva paper towel. Using these little fruit things, you guys, I bought more of multiple, the same kind of like concept, the same little design or little fruits, but with multiple little, I guess, containers. Doing this Valentino number 111. I love this color. This is a nice highlighter. If you guys are looking for a good highlighter, yellow Valentino 111 is great. And then there's the Slick Pour, and this is just the To the Wind color. So I'm just gonna be using both of those. I'm gonna use Coupa Divinity Clear. I'm going to be doing for my cover Beige by Mia Secret, which I never really used, but I really want to use it today. It's like a warm tone, so it kind of reminds me of summer. And then I have this little thing I used the other day that I made myself. So we'll be using this little, like basically it's angel paper, orange angel paper, and the clear like iridescent angel paper. And then we have some little, whatchamacallit, little gold charms, or little gold, I don't know what they're called. I'm gonna call them charms, little gold charms. So I'm probably gonna be picking from I'm just gonna fill up my monomer.
get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up.
And that is it, you guys. That is it for my nails. I am totally done and I'm totally in love with them. Comment down below what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, you guys. It helps my channel a lot. It's kind of like you're supporting my channel for free, and it does help out so I can keep coming out and rolling out these videos for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Like I said, this was a collaboration with Berabe Nails, and I will leave her channel in the description box, you guys. I love you guys. Take care.
But now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small